Okay, so our experiment is to measure whether or not if the solute in water changes, if the way the light is refracted as to reflect an object is changed. So say we put this rock in water. If we add salt to the water, will where the rock shows up in the water change? Oh, and I almost forgot to mention that I'm going to be filming with just over 500 milliliters of water, 5 tablespoons of sugar, and 5 tablespoons of salt, respectively. And yeah, we'll see the results. Okay, so to plot the position out, I've marched down a basic coordinate grid here, measuring the x and z axis. That's width and depth. So if it shifts, I'll be able to check it by making markings. And this is it in just water for control. Okay, so I just tested it in sugar water and plotted it out. It's approximately 4 millimeters off on either side. And while it's small enough to be attributed to human error, I've done my best to ensure that doesn't happen. And if the results are consistent with salt, then we can assume that it wasn't human error. Okay, so I just tested it with salt water now, and I checked several times over to make sure everything was lined up properly, as I did with the previous examples. And it appears to have moved another millimeter on each axis. So it does appear that the type of solute in a solution affects how objects in it appear.